Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix phone heating while charging on VIVO V60 Lite. Let's begin. So, all you want to do is simply head into settings, and let me stop you right there. The truth is that if your phone is getting warmer when you charge it, nothing is really going to go wrong. Seriously, everything is fine. It's completely normal for your phone to heat up while you charge it, because this is just how electricity works. However, if you feel like the temperatures are getting really high, like so high that you can barely touch your phone because it's just burning, then you should probably start to worry. The very first thing you want to do is to go into the settings, then battery health and charging, and you want to disable fast charging. We can even read that technically it is normal for the phone to warm up during fast charging. However, when this function is disabled, the charging speed will adjust if the temperature is high. So if your phone is like literally burning, you will charge it a lot slower, but thanks to that, the temperature should drop tremendously. However, if you still have some troubles, then there is a very high chance that you have physical damage either in your port or in your battery directly, and this is just dangerous. Seriously, there have been many accidents when certain batteries literally exploded. So you want to be very careful. You want to turn off your device, and I would just advise you to go into like phone workshop or Vivo shop or whatever and have your phone checked. But that is only if you feel like the battery is literally burning you. Other than that, if it's just slightly warm, it's completely okay. If you don't like it, you can always disable fast charging. But once again, like slight warm is completely okay. You shouldn't worry about it. If it's really hot, then you should start worrying. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.